Hey, what's up YouTube? Got another video for you today. I'm gonna be talking about 5 things I hate about my shitbox. So this is my 2020 Supra. I've owned it for about a year and a half now, and I have a few things that I just hate about the car. Let's hop right into it, and we'll start off by saying I hate all of the fake vents that they put on the car. Every one of them. They have this one right here. We have this one right on the hood. We have these ones on the doors, and this one's not as noticeable, but they have them back here as well. So now that we've covered the vents, and I think that they're shit, they have no purpose. They're just solid plastic. They make fake vents or real vents that lead to nowhere. I think that it could have just been designed a little bit better, maybe, or they could have done something different there, or at least made it a real vent. Let's hop in the inside of the car and I'll show you number 2. So for number 2, I really hate this pillar that we have right here. Not that it's there, they made it black. Why not just continue the carbon fiber all the way up? Yeah, in my opinion, I think that this whole center dash piece, if you're gonna put carbon fiber in the car, at least connect it and make it full carbon. In my opinion, I just think that would look way better. So now let's jump into the back for number 3. So I have my wing bolted up. I don't have the latches on it to where I can pull it back at the moment, so I can open the trunk. So we're gonna head over to Dan's car and I'll show you the 3rd thing that I hate about my car, but in Dan's car. So the main thing that bothers me about the trunk is this big cover for the back. When you're driving around, it rattles a bunch, it squeaks, it makes noises, it just the most annoying thing to listen to while you're driving. And I would take it out, but I have nowhere to put it. So it stays in there for now until I can get a roll bar or something to get it out of the way. Alright, so jumping into the 4th thing that I hate about my Supra is the speakers. I got the JBL package. They're not bad speakers, but the subs that they come with, they don't do what they're supposed to do. You definitely need a little bit of modification to make it sound the way it should sound. You gotta put ports in the back, which I'm gonna be doing that modification soon, but some of these things are very easy to fix. They're just things that I've noticed that I hate based on what the car came with. So let's jump right into the last thing. The horn. So the thing I absolutely hate most about this car, and I'm sure everybody else hates as well, is this damn horn. It literally sounds like I'm driving around a clown car. Let me give you a quick little demonstration of what this monstrosity sounds like. The worst, absolutely worst horn they could have put in this. Could have put any other horn in it. It would have sounded way better.
I don't know, take like a small Fiat horn. That would be fire in here, honestly.
Probably, yeah, definitely. Okay. Other than that, those are the 5 things that I hate about my Toyota Supra. A couple things that I can improve myself to make a couple things I hate less about this car. But, you know, that's it. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. She's looking at your shit, bro. She's looking at your shit. She said, this is a nice car, bro.
Okay.